What's up, everybody? I got another flag collection update video. I'm unboxing. So I decided to go all out and start collecting 3x5 flags made in the United States, made in the nylon material, and the flags that I got are all made by Annin Flag makers. We got a standard Annin Nylogo United States flag, a Annin Sun Glow nylon United States flag, and an Annin Nyloglow Massachusetts flag. I'm gonna get all the 50 states in the 3x5 size, hopefully, probably. Um, yeah, let's get these flags unboxed. Let's start off with the Annin Nilo Glow United States flag. So all of these are 3x5 foot. Annin's one of the oldest, is the oldest flag manufacturer in the United States, at least to my knowledge. They provide lots of flags to lots of different agencies, usually government buildings. Some retail stores fly Annin flags. A lot of them pretty much do. Um, yeah, pretty cool. I don't really see a lot of videos unboxing Annin flags, especially from flag collectors such as I. They usually review the flag, but even then, I can't find really much reviews for Annin flags. So, yeah, it comes in a box like this. Here's the flag, nylon, and each Annin flag comes with these little pamphlets. If I can get them out. Come on, there we go. I'm not gonna read everything. You can read it. All right. So there's three tiers. I like to say three tiers of Annin made flags. There are the standard brand, which is this one, a premium brand, which is their signature line, which I'm thinking about getting next, and the Sun Glow one, which is all printed, all dyed. The stars are not sewn and the stripes are not appliqued. Um, so this is their standard one. I'll uh, unfold this off camera and come back. All right, so here is the Annin 3x5 nylon Nile Glow United States flag. Yeah, it looks pretty cool, and you can find this in your local Walmart. But I got this from a flag retailer. Um, Lots of stores sell Annin flags. Some sell Valley Forge, but your choice and which manufacturer you want to get it from. This one's Annin. I I've heard a lot of people like Annin American flags. It's really beautiful. I'm pretty proud of my country, even with all the political noise. Um, Yeah, so the problem with nylon flags is that when the stars are appliqued, or in this case sewn, if you view the flag from ahead, if the sun is in the back, if the sun's shining from the back, the star is silhouette, and a lot of people that's a problem. Not really, since a lot of people fly sewn American flags rather than printed. So Annin offers this one. This is their Sun Glow nylon flag. These are dyed, printed, they're not sewn. Pretty much this is like their low bar tier, but still quality. And let's get this unboxed and unfolded so you can see. Okay, here's the Annin Sunbright, not Sunbright, Sunglow nylon American flag. As you can see, the stars are printed, nothing is sewn compared to the sewn one in the back. This is their sort of low bar tier nylon flag because this one's sewn and not appliqued or sewn. This is all printed. At least I think it's printed. It's all dyed. It's not sewn at all. Um, Pretty much any standard American flag you can buy for cheap is gonna be sewn, not sewn. It's gonna be printed or dyed. This one isn't. This one's just dyed. This one's not sewn, but it is made in the United States and made out of nylon, which is more high quality than polyester. standard polyester, the flags that you will find usually online. So that's that. Here is the Massachusetts Nyla Glow flag 3x5. Of course, Massachusetts is the state that I'm from, state that I live in, Commonwealth of Massachusetts. So yeah, I'll get this off camera, unfold it. I think that the notation in this box is the same. I think so. I think it is. I'm not going to show that one. So I'll undo it off camera and show it. See it. Alright, so here's the Annin Nyla Glow 3x5 foot Massachusetts flag. Pretty cool looking. I think this is a recently made Annin flag. Not really sure though, but it is beautiful. Got the coat of arms of Massachusetts here upon a white field. Really love my state flag, even though we're in the process of changing it. I'm not sure how that's going to end, but as of right now, this is our state flag, Commonwealth flag. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you.